Okay, so friends, today we are going to learn how to buy a contract on Solana Drift website. So when you will log in to your account, you will come to this dashboard. On the top right corner, you see three lines, the menu lines. Okay, click on those menu. Okay, click on Fund Management. Okay, then you see just below Fund Management, it is written Deposit BEP20. So click on Deposit BEP20 and you'll find a QR code, and just below the QR code, you'll find the address. Okay? You need to copy this address, or you can even scan this scanner from your crypto wallet. Maybe you can use Binance or Trust Wallet, MetaMask, whatever you want to use. Remember, you need to send USDT on BEP20 network. Okay? So when you have sent, okay, wait for 2-3 minutes after you have sent your USDT. Okay? Wait for 3-4 minutes. After that, you need to click on this Fund Deposit Report. Okay? Okay, so when you click on this Fund Deposit Report, you will see that you have received your wallet balance. I mean, you have received $100, just like you are seeing here. Okay? But remember to click on this Fund Deposit Report after you have sent your money from your wallet. Okay, after that, now you have received, it is easy now. So just click on the menu again on the top right corner. Okay, click on Fund Management. Okay, click on Create Contract. Remember to click on Create Contract. Okay. Okay. So now what you need to do is you already have that 100 USDT here. So you just need to create the contract. So enter your own or anybody's user ID here. If you want to buy it for somebody else, you can also buy it. Okay, if you want to buy it for yourself, just mention your ID here. I'm mentioning it. So, okay. So as soon as you have mentioned your ID, your name will appear on the bottom of the screen. Now you need to choose your contract. You can choose contract. Okay. You can choose between 50 to 10,000 contract. But remember to take the same amount of Solana, the corresponding amount of Solana on your Binance. So if you're staking $100, you need to buy 1 Solana on Binance or stake 1 Solana on Binance. Okay, now you can also stake on Bybit as well. Okay, I'm sure there will be more exchanges. So if you buy 250 contract, you will have to stake 3 Solana on Binance. So I have added $100. I'll buy a $100 contract. Now you just need to click on Submit. Okay, and you click on Submit. It will ask you, are you sure? Click on OK, and that's done. Okay, now click on Menu and go to your dashboard. Okay, now your account says active. So that's it for today. We will come back with more videos on more technical stuff. Thanks a lot.